Bile has given me a lot of trouble. I was unable to do anything properly. I used to get frustrated, angry. As we all know, piles is a very painful thing. But luckily, I came across this medicine, Dr. Piles Metrics, by the Yoga Man Lab, and believe me, this medicine has worked wonder. I've been using this for the past 3 months, and the medicine along with the oil has totally cured my ailment, and now I'm able to do my duties properly. Now I can eat what I want. I'm now back to my normal self. If anyone who is suffering from piles, I would recommend you to kindly use this. Believe me, it has really worked wonders on me, and I hope it will really work well on you too also.